To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.
I'm Sakshi Batra, and with me is Teena Jain Kaushal, Senior Editor at Business Today magazine. We are going to be discussing the big news of the day, and that is the LIC DRHP, which was filed last evening. Now, remember, this has raised a lot of questions about what kind of a market cap could LIC command. The pricing range has not yet been announced as well. The valuation and the pricing points are going to be critical for all the investors to really take a decision on as to whether they want to really take a pick in this big bang, the great Indian LIC IPO. But for now, it has been filed. Many details have come out. You can log on to Business Today to actually see the highlights of the DRHP as well. But for now, Teena has done a very important story on BT magazine and also on the Business Today website. And that is about how to derive, she's derived the kind of pricing range that the LIC IPO could be about. So Teena, tell me, what's the pricing range you're looking at and how have you derived it?
So, Sakshi, first of all, for a life insurance company, embedded value is very important. So, we all were waiting for embedded value to come out for LIC.
Yes.
So, now it has come out and it is stated in DRHP that it will be around rupees 5.4 trillion.
Correct.
So, that's the figure that we have got. Based on this embedded value, we have to look at the multiple which the government can give on this embedded value.
Okay.
So, if I talk and compare LIC with the market life insurance companies which are already listed in the market, so there is HDFC Life, there is ICICI Life, and there is SBI Life. These are all listed players. So, to drive at the multiple, I have looked at the market cap to EV multiple of HDFC Life. So it is coming around 4 times. If I look at SBI and ICICI Life, it is coming around 3 times. So considering that LIC embedded value is out and I take the multiple of 2 to 4 times, I get the roughly total market cap of LIC.
So the market cap could actually be 3 to 4 times. That is what the general assumption is.
Yeah. So if I look at the peers like HDFC, they are having the valuation of around 4 to 3 times.
So if it is 5.4 lakh crore rupees embedded value, you need to look at a 3 times or a 4 times market cap in case we assume that to be happening. Then it could be upwards of 15 lakh crore.
Yeah, so I have worked out the calculation. If I take very humble multiple of 2, then the market cap is coming around 10 lakh crore. If I go to 4 multiple of 4, it is coming around 18 lakh crore. 18 lakh crore.
Right.
So that is the market cap, huge market cap we are talking about.
Right.
If it's 4, when it is 3.5, it is 18 lakh crore, and when it is 4, then it is 22 lakh crore.
Sure.
So that is the market cap we are talking about. But here I also want to say recently HDFC Life acquired Exide Life Insurance Company. So there the company acquired it at a valuation of 2.5 times. So the whole game now lies in what multiple we are having. So
by when will this be decided? This will be closer to the IPO. The government
when the final documents will be out, then we will come to know what is the IPO price. But if I take the multiple of 2, then the IPO price is coming around 1700. And if I take the multiple of 4, IPO price is coming around 3400.
Right.
So that is my rough calculation. The band should be between 1700 to 3400.
It's a wide range band, and the prices are not very low if you compare it with the other so far PSU majors that are listed on the street. This is not going to be a humble one. Even if it gets listed or like the issue price is about 1700 rupees per share, but this is the broader range. In case we assume a multiple of 2 to about 4, then the range would come out to be 1700 to 3500 rupees as per Teena's calculation. Thank you, Teena, for sharing with us these details. A price band of 1700 to 3500 looks quite massive. Whether the government will price it aggressively, there's a question mark on that, because it is a mega IPO and we are already seeing the kind of interest from investors. In January, we've seen a record 34 lakh new demat accounts open. So people are interested in getting a share of the LIC IPO. So So looking at the kind of maximum participation, they're also giving a 35% retail investors portion as well. So they want to cater to a wider retail investors portion. So they may not go very aggressive with the prices so that maximum people can get a pie as well. We'll have to wait and watch out for that. But in case the price band is 1700 to 3500, would you be okay to invest in the LIC IPO? Will it give you enough return on equity as well? So that's something that you need to question and go back to your drawing boards with a financial advisor to really find out whether it makes sense for you to have LIC IPO in this price range into your portfolio or not. Thanks a lot for tuning in for now.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.